Hello there, this is Haspa with WTI.
And this cast iron oil from Caron Doucet is honestly one of the best things I've found for keeping my cookware looking brand new. It smells so fresh and clean, like citrus, and it actually works. My cast iron looks super smooth, seasoned, and just really well cared for. It's super easy to apply. I just use a cloth, rub it in a little bit, and it instantly makes a difference. You can use it on the whole pan, inside and out, and it leaves this beautiful even shine that makes it look freshly restored. Even my husband commented on how nice it smells and how great the pan looks, so that's saying something. And I actually ended up using it on our iron stovetop too, and he brought back the shine there as well. The bottle comes in a good size, is an 8-ounce bottle, and honestly, a little bit goes a long way. And also the consistency, it's perfect. It's not too greasy, it's not too thick, and it spreads really easily. You can even heat it on the stove or in the oven in order for you to season it, and it just takes the results to the next level.
And that's just my point of view.